Note-taking Nuggets!
To start off the dish, you will need a pretty decent amount of highlights. Highlights will really bring out the flavor in the nuggets. You will need lots of rich questioning. A big part of the dish will be the extensive question. If you don't have that, then why you would have the note-taking nuggets. Also, you need a bunch of little reminders all over the note-taking nuggets. Finally, you need a little drizzle of summary sauce.
Make sure you get a piece of loose leaf paper before frying. It's essential that you add the essential question to the beginning of the note-taking nuggets. After you get that down, that's when you're going to want to start to sprinkle on a little reminders and really strengthen the taste.
Nuggets are going to require a spread of questioning to make the inside of the note-taking nuggets rich and juicy. After you have completed that, add summary sauce to make the dish perfectly balanced. Now you will have the perfect balanced note-taking nuggets. You can see that it is perfectly put together. These nuggets will help your understanding of your confused topic grow and get through your classes.
Problem-solving salad. Bright future treats.
Organization salad, is it?